Today I'm going to show you how to make your old Honda or Toyota look new for less than 500 bucks. Let's go. I've used this 7-step process in multiple vehicles and man, it produces a great result. So let's start here. Wireless touchscreen CarPlay. And not only that, but for most of your old Hondas and Toyotas, you can get a custom fit that fits in the place of the existing radio. It looks like it's been there since the beginning, but it's wireless and touchscreen CarPlay. It even comes with a backup camera. This is clutch for those cars that were made before backup cameras were a thing. Now, here's what's gonna happen with all these steps. We're gonna link below videos that show you step by step how to install or accomplish these 7 steps. We're also gonna link below everything you need for your specific car. So you'll just go in the links and you'll find your car and there'll be links for all these different products that you can go to and do to your own car. Now, this wireless touchscreen CarPlay is gonna run anywhere from like $85 to $150, just depending on your car's model. But it is a fantastic upgrade. When I've done this for other people, it just amazes them. It turns heads. When I ask them what's the favorite thing that we did to the car, this is what they say. All right, what's your favorite thing? You can only pick one thing.
The radio, yeah.
Number 2, make that old steering wheel look new again with an all-leather steering wheel wrap. And yes, you do have to sew this on, but the result is incredible. It feels so good on your hands. It looks great. I like this one from BMLEI. It's worked great for me. It comes with the thread and needle that you need. We'll tell you exactly how to do this in the video. Just makes a huge difference for 20 bucks. All right, step number 3. If you've watched other videos of mine, you probably already heard me talk about this product called Blak, B-L-A-K, from our friends at D3 Renew Protect. What I'm gonna talk about today is using this to make that old faded black trim look brand new. Now this also has some other uses that we'll touch on later in this video, but this stuff is amazing. I find that it holds its new looking shine and color for about a year, and it's super easy to put on with an applicator they give you. How many of you have headlights that need cataract surgery? What do I mean by that? They are cloudy and yellow. There's a fairly easy way to make those things look new. There's a lot of systems out there. The one I like the best is from Cerakote, their ceramic headlight restoration kit. Gives you everything you need. If your headlights are super bad, I'll show you how to take 1 or 2 extra steps, and it just makes a huge difference. You can't have a great looking car without having crystal clear headlights. This is a personal favorite of mine. I do it in every car I work on. New, all season mats. This is just great because I don't care what techniques you use. If your car is old enough, you're not going to get that carpet looking great, and you're certainly not going to get those carpet mats looking new. These are wonderful because they're custom fitted, anywhere from $55 to $150. I know that's a big range. It just depends on the type of car that you have. Again, everything's linked below where you can see what that'll be for your specific car. The fact that they're custom fitted is huge. And I'll show you a technique in the video that we're gonna link here, how you can actually put the black ceramic coating on these and keep them looking new and make them super easy to clean. Just makes a huge difference in helping your old car feel new. All right, you want to talk about something that's come a long way in the last few years? It's leather car seat covers. Now, let's be fair, there is some real leather in here. There's also some faux leather, but these things are amazing from Cover Auto. When I put these in, people think they're custom seats. And again, I'll show you in the detailed video how to put them in, how to make them look custom. But for about $170, you can get a kit that'll cover the front seats and the back seats. I've covered up both old leather and old cloth seats. Not that difficult to install. And you talk about something that just makes an instant difference in how it looks, how it feels. This is a key if you want your old car to look and feel new. All right, the last step really doesn't cost much at all. Part of it doesn't cost anything, but it is important. It's a thorough cleaning. Now, I probably don't need to tell you how to wash your car, but obviously wash the exterior. But on the interior, there's a few things that we can do that'll top off making your old car look and feel new. So the first one, again, if you watched other videos, you know I love the product, P&S Express Interior Cleaner. This stuff is amazing. You can use it anywhere on the interior. But here's the key. When you spray it on, agitate it with a detail brush, then wipe it down. You will be astounded how well this works. The other thing I would just recommend is take your seats out of the car, vacuum really well. There's no way to do a great job vacuuming and cleaning the carpet if you don't take the seats out. Now, it takes some effort, but if you take those out, and even if all you do is vacuum and use the P&S and the detail brushes to agitate and wipe the carpet, it'll make a big difference. Obviously, you can get an extractor and go to more detail, but you do these 7 things, people are going to think you have an old car that is new. Obviously, if you say, hey, I love these ideas, I don't really want to spend $400 to $500, pick the ones that you think will make the most difference. But if you do them all, it is amazing. So good luck on you making your old car look and feel new.